Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get this Facebook widgets on your WordPress sites without installing any plugins whatsoever. It's actually quite simple. All you need to do is just get the code, type it in your widget, and it will appear just like this. So without further ado, let's get to the first step, which is to get to this site called Facebook for Developers. You can either copy this URL, or I think it's better if I just show you Facebook page plugin. So it will be this first link right here, page plugin. It will look just like this, and you don't need to know all of the other things here. You just need to know this part right here. Just type in your details and get the code, and we can just move on and paste it in our WordPress widget. So the Facebook page URL, mine would be, oh no, mine is not that. Mine is Facebook. Kita Shalom. Sorry, Facebook. Okay, so that's me right there. Kitaman is my business. It's a gaming shop that I have in Malaysia, and just paste it there. As for the tabs, you can either choose timeline, messages, events. I prefer timeline and events because it will appear like this. This is the visual of how your widget, your Facebook widget, is going to be. So there will be a timeline and events. So if you do a lot of events, it's better if you show that because your audience can see what's your upcoming events. And as for width and height, if you do not know your width and height, just leave it blank. I'll show you in a bit. So just get the code, go to iframe, and this all of this thing here, just copy the whole thing. And we move on to the WordPress dashboard. Go to under appearance, go to widgets, and this part right here, select text, drop it right here, paste it here, paste it. Oh no, it's text section under text. Okay, paste it here, and then we go back and refresh. So if your widget appears like this, don't worry, it is supposed to be like this because the size is actually according to you. You measure the size, which is why I left this part right here blank, so I can show you how to measure the size of your widget bar. So to measure the size of your widget bar, there are many steps, but mine I would just right click and go to inspect, where you can scroll around and see the size of your widget bar right here. You don't need to know all of the things on your right hand side. I don't understand half of what's happening here, but I just scroll around so that I can find out the dimensions of the other images. And you can see there 1170. This the whole images of your site you can measure from here. So let's get back to the widget part. So it's 262.5. So that's the size of your widget I need to know. Is 262.5. That's for me. That's the size for my site. It might be different from yours, so you need to try it by yourself. 262. So just get back here, 262. You don't need to type in any decimals, 0.5, 0.7, because it doesn't really work. It makes things more complicated. So it's just 262. And as for height, you can key in any height you prefer. Some prefer smaller height. For me, I don't really mind. Now 500 seems a bit. Maybe I should. Yeah, 450 sounds good. Okay, get code. Iframe. Okay, copy. Go back here and paste it. And refresh, and you'll have it. It's not. The size is right, but oh, okay. This is good. This is good. This is a problem, but it's good because I can show you how to fix it. It's not supposed to be this way. Some websites you don't really need to alter. My other websites seem to be just fine. But if this were to happen to your site, it may be due to the fact that your website has a new theme update, or maybe Facebook has their own updates that may affect your widget. So okay, how to solve this is to go back to your widget part here and detect what is the error within this code. So in order to do that, just delete this thing. Okay, copy this first, And let's drag a thing called custom HTML. Okay, drag it right here, custom HTML, and paste it. You can't really paste it. You have to actually control V. Okay, control V to paste it and save. There is one error which must be fixed before you can save. So this is the error that actually was causing this. So the error is the attribute name of allow transparency must be lowercase. So you need to allow transparency, make it lowercase. Maybe this would help. Okay, fingers crossed. Let's see. Okay. It works just fine. Let's check on the link. The link works fine. So there you have it. How to get your Facebook widgets on your WordPress site. That concludes our video. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions whatsoever, don't be afraid to leave it down below, and I'll be more than happy to reply.